Hey, thank you for replying to my bug report. I found that this bug really doesn't happen to my specific ship. Here, let me just start custom creative easy start one. It just happens to any ship that I'm in, really. Here, let me just skip the loading screen. Here I am. Let's just run over to this miner and take her out. See, this one has the manual on-off, but I use tools. Bam. That way you just select that and it gets... Oh, well. This bug was supposed to be fixed in today's update, huh? Alright. Oh well, I'll give you more time. This isn't about that. Here. See, this is your stock ship. This is me holding down the mouse button. And this is me just turning the drills on individually. See? Sounds pretty alright. But if I hold down my mouse, I just have one little drill going. It just plays the sound really shortly. Hope that helps. I don't know, I use a Realtek onboard sound card, and this is no mods. Thank you.